Hello friends, welcome to the channel Solution. Today in this video we will demonstrate the osmosis process by simple egg experiment. Let's know what is osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of solvent molecule in a solution through a semi-permeable membrane from the area of higher concentration of solvent to an area of lower concentration of solvent. And if the solvent is water, then the movement of the water through a semi-permeable membrane from an area of higher water concentration to an area of lower water concentration to reach the equilibrium. This is called osmosis. So let's start the experiment. For this, first of all dip 2 eggs individually in a beaker containing acetic acid, means vinegar. And here you can see that after a few minutes bubble will form around the egg. This indicates that chemical reaction starts between the calcium present in the shell of the egg with vinegar. And after 1 day, means after 24 hours, shell of egg completely get dissolved. Now here you can see that the outer shell of the egg get completely removed and this egg becomes soft and only membrane is present in it. Now this egg acts as a semi-permeable membrane. Now dip 1 egg into hypotonic solution, means dip it in a plain water. And in the second beaker add table salt, means sodium chloride, in sufficient quantity to make it saturated solution, means we have to add NaCl and dissolve it in water. Continue add NaCl till NaCl will stop to dissolve. When we further add to dissolve it into the water, means we have to prepare saturated solution of NaCl. Now this solution is become hypotonic. After preparing hypotonic solution, then add another egg in this hypotonic solution and after 6 days observe the change in the size of egg. First of all, remove the egg from the beaker containing hypotonic solution and then remove the egg from the beaker containing hypertonic solution. Here you can clearly observe that the egg which we have added in the hypotonic solution is much bigger in size, means size of the egg is increased than before. But the egg which we have added in the hypertonic solution get shrinked and it is much smaller in size than before. Means here the water molecule from inside the egg moves out and egg gets shrink. Here you can see the size of the egg before experiment and the change in the size of egg after experiment. Here in the hypotonic solution, the size of the egg is increased because of the osmosis, means the water concentration of the solution in the beaker is higher than the water concentration inside the egg. So the water moves from its higher concentration, means from the solution in the beaker to the inside the egg where there is a lower concentration of water through semi-permeable membrane, and the size and the mass of the egg get increased. But in the hypertonic solution, because in this solution, that is the salt water solution in the beaker, the water concentration is less, means the salt concentration is much higher than the water. So here the concentration of water inside the egg is higher as compared to the water concentration outside the egg, means in the beaker solution. Therefore the water flows from an area of high water concentration, means inside the egg, to an area of low water concentration, means in the beaker solution. Therefore, to reach the equilibrium, osmosis causes the water molecule to move out of the egg through the semi-permeable membrane in the salt solution until both the solution have same concentration of water. And because of this, when the water present inside the egg moves out through the semi-permeable membrane in the beaker solution, the egg gets shrinks. Means the outward movement of water from inside to outside the egg causes egg to shrink. Even when the egg is placed in solution of low salt concentration, the egg will get larger in size, but it will shrink when the salt concentration is increased, means the concentration water will decrease, and when placed in the solution containing high salt concentration, the egg will get shrink. So this is all about osmosis. Thank you very much for watching this video.